Alright, just what I need is more ratchets. I wonder if 15 was actually 1500 doesn't seem like an actual original price. But these are on clearance for $9 or less. Depends on your store, remember? Well, these have limited lifetime warranties on them too, huh? Huh. 72 tooth ratcheting. Blah, blah, blah. Here's your part number, your UPC. Wah, wah, wah. Made in Taiwan, which is China. 2020. I don't know if I'm actually going to take these out. I'm not going to take them out. I'm just going to make this a clearance quickie. What do you think of that, bro? Huh? Yeah? So this one's going to be a minute. Well, this one was like 6 minutes. Yeah, $7 for this, buddy. Alright. Well, these are heavy duty and these seem pretty good. Who knows? Lifetime warranty. Look, they're etched. The name is etched. Look at that etching. Oh, yeah. Well, alright. Yep. Hi, I'm Abigail. Yes, that's my name. My birth name. As I just sit here and waste time. 2 minutes. Okay.
I see you taking.
Hey, girl.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, bro. So.